On this special episode of Born to Ride Television, we take you to Unadilla, smack dab in the middle of the great state of Georgia, for an event so big that Born to Ride can't fit it all in just one episode. Tonight we bring you part one and introduce you to Angel City. Angel City is 100 acres of land totally designed, operated, and dedicated to the biker lifestyle. It's unlike any other place in the world. Angel City delivers wonderful, unexpected surprises at every turn. A full western town with a circular road, bikers camping under the shady trees, or RVing in style. Live music, quality vendors, but it's much, much more than that. At this year's 4-day-long Angel City Motorcycle Rally, we noticed that this great bike event had a heart and spirit all of its own that other rallies can only dream about. The Angel City Rally is about brotherhood, friendship, freedom, and of course, having a good time. So tonight it's part one of the Angel City Motorcycle Rally from Unadilla, Georgia. Coming up right now, right here, only on Born to Ride.
Hey McFly, it's me, Tom Wilson. You're watching Born to Ride. You were born, face it. So, ride. Right? Thank you. God bless. God bless America. God bless. Oh, get out of here.
Smith, and I own Angel City, best biker rally I think in the state of Georgia, and right here in the middle of Georgia, Unadilla, Georgia is where it's built at. I got my first scooter 47 years ago, and I've been riding on and off all my life, raised my family, and my wife passed away after 28 years of marriage. I flipped out and started going to more rallies. We always went to rallies, and then anyway, after she died, and then I came back home and decided I was going to build Angel City because I was tired of seeing all the big rallies, a lot of places overcharging, gouging people. I got $2 beer. I call it the home of the $2 beer because of that. It just, I wanted to bring the Old West back to Georgia because you go to Sturgis, you see it, and I said, why can't we do it over here? And we've done it here. And since then, I've named it Angel City because my wife that passed away was my angel, and I named the town as her town as Angel City. Since then, I remarried, and her name's Dawn, and she runs the office, and she works with me just like my first wife did. And the thing about all this all put together, man, ain't nobody no luckier than me because God's blessed me more than twice. And I got one angel in heaven waiting on me, one walking the earth with me. And the thing about Angel City is you can come to Angel City and it's all about the brotherhood of the bike community. When you come to a bike rally like Angel City, it doesn't matter if you're sitting there and there's a Philadelphia lawyer and a guy making minimum wage beside him. They'll shake hands and drink beer and tell jokes and be buddies all day long. It ain't nothing about education. It ain't nothing about how much money you got. It's about the brotherhood and the sisterhood of riding scooters. And I invite people to come to Angel City that's never rode so they can experience what these people do. What makes you rich? It ain't money. Money ain't got nothing to do with being rich. It's the brotherhood and the sisterhood and the people that love you and respect you and would be there for you when you need them. Oh man, we got people that come from everywhere, but all the campsites, like I say, it was 264 and all of them's got 50 amp services. And then through the woods, we got primitive camping. Then we also got dry camping. If you come here, you're gonna find something that's totally different than anything. And the people here, they don't have no problems. So where you gonna go that's a safer place? And besides that, where you gonna go in Georgia that I've had people from Australia, Belgium, Germany, Norway, England, and Canada. Everybody on the East Coast is missing the best, biggest rally, private-owned rally in the country. You ain't gotta pay $4, $5, $6 for a beer, $2 beer, great entertainment. Band starting around anywhere from 12 and going to 2 o'clock in the morning for 4 full days, and it only costs you $45 a ticket. You can't go out to eat 2 people for that. Now I guess that's pretty much it, other than me being John Wayne. I grew up a cowboy Indian boy, and that's what I believe in, and a handshake's still good as gold here. And this 100 acres Angel City's on is America, and it'll always be America. But if you don't come, it's your loss. If you do come, you'll always come back, because I swear you, I promise you one thing for sure. You will have a good time.
Angel City, Angel City, Unadilla, Angel City.
We'll be right back with more Born to Ride.
Now you can take Born to Ride everywhere and anywhere. The new Born to Ride mobile app is ready for you to download. There's more multimedia, more information, more Born to Ride like never before.
We're the Angel City girls. Welcome to Angel City.
My name is Doug Taylor. I'm a retired Navy. I served tour in Vietnam as a door gunner. So this is sort of a traveling museum representing those Navy guys that protected the SEALs. Up here's where our co-pilot sat. He was a busy guy. He'd keep up with radios, communications, set up the weapons for the pilot, and keep up with us door gunners in the back. So the co-pilot had a very important job compared to the driver or the pilot who sat on that side. He had everything made for him.
I'm Jay Clark. This is Kim Nurger. We are from Macon, Georgia. We love Angel City, and we love Born to Ride.
Walk
going on here, buddy?
We got A-Bay District 13 doing the bike show for Angel City. We've done this about for the last 5 years in a row. And yeah, Wayne and Ralph, they put on a good rally here, and they look, they're bikers.
2013 Angel City Rally. Best in show is Sean Lovelace. So let's give them all a big hand.
I'm so overwhelmed with everything you all bring to me, and I try my best to give it back to you. But what I want you to know is, I know, you know, that everybody has always give, and they give when they have nothing left to give. What makes us rich is not our money. It's our friends and our brotherhood and our sisterhood. And that's what built this country, and that's what this country was built on. God bless every one of you. I love you. This place belongs to you, not me. It's for you. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook, Born to Ride TV and magazine. For over 18 years, the ultimate multimedia biker experience.
That was Papa Neville, a man who was willing to give you everything he had so that you could have a remembrance of your loved ones. He died recently. He was here at the last rally, but he was so sick that he could not be with us. And it was his desire that his ashes would be spread at Angel City. And his wife and his brother and some of his friends are here with us today. Passed from this earth December 25th, 2012. At this time, we're going to spread his ashes across from the speakers to the table over there. Brother Brian, if you'd go ahead and do that. And at the conclusion of the spreading of the ashes, I ask you to step back. Hold on. I ask you to step back a little bit more so that these motorcycles will be able to ride through here. It was Papa's desire that his ashes be spread in Angel City, and that all the vets who were here that would participate would ride through his ashes so he could keep on riding. This is his brother, his first brother. His wife and some of his friends.
Born to Ride is a multimedia marketing and promotional machine with TV, magazines, streaming radio, and internet advertising opportunities. There are tens of thousands of motorcycles. We reach the people who ride them. Born to Ride. Find out more at borntoride.com.
For all those people that are all smartened up talking Kiz, Arnie, and K-Fizz, Abe, and they know what's going on.
What you gonna do when Born to Ride runs wild on you, brother?
You know, I may own Angel City, but Angel City don't belong to me. It belongs to the people of the biker and community, of the sisters and brothers that ride scooters. All sisters and brothers that ride scooters. Always has been, always will be.